Use this video from Nelson Irrigation to learn how to tune up your orchard irrigation system and request a free tune-up kit. The off-season is a great time to evaluate your irrigation systems and practices. When crop prices are lower and costs are rising, sometimes efforts to cut cost cause operators to miss critical adjustments or investments that might ultimately reduce cost or improve pack-outs. Evaluate your systems, your costs, and your practices, and consider improvements and important long-term investments in both new and existing irrigation systems. Working harder will not reduce costs and increase revenue as much as working smarter. Several orchard managers have reported in recent years that the investment in TWIG wireless controls to automate and provide remote control of pumps and valves has a one-year payback. This is because fewer ATVs and people are required to operate their irrigation systems once automation and remote monitoring and control are in place. TWIG Verify is a powerful new tool that can allow irrigators to receive an indication of proper operating pressure without being present. TWIG reporting is a tool that can be used to evaluate the execution of the irrigation plan and the success of your irrigation practices. These new tools can be used to reduce pumping costs, overtime hours paid, and irrigation-related crop failures. For more information, see TWIG Wireless Controls for Irrigation Automation flyer. Why upgrade your systems? Wear or damage to smaller micro-sprinklers may be creating uneven watering that affects pack-out. Look for and ask your irrigators about the following problems that should be resolved. Is the same nozzle size still in each sprinkler? Replacement with the wrong nozzle size or wrong plate during maintenance creates significant variability in water application. Is there damage or wear to sprinkler nozzles or plates? If nozzles or plates have been scratched with a wire, if they are covered with deposits or worn, they may be producing uneven watering. Sprinklers may have scratches or wear that is more easily viewed with a microscope. When such sprinklers reach 15 years old and some wear or damage is detected, then complete replacement is likely more cost-effective than a magnified inspection of each nozzle and plate. Before a complete change-out is done, ask about a possible trade-in program for the R10 rotator from Nelson Irrigation. Dispose of older sprinklers and prevent future use and potential problems. Consider modifications or investments. First, evaluate the replacement parts you are buying and the time spent fixing problems in the field. Identify your most costly or time-consuming problems and consider each of the following solutions to reduce irrigation labor costs. Plugged nozzles. Cause: algae growing inside pipes or extruding through filters. Solution: treat algae in ponds. Inject chlorine, hydrogen peroxide, or other chemicals and/or upgrade filters. Cause: insects crawling in nozzles. Solution: switch to the R7 rotator or S7 spinner, which protect the nozzle from insect intrusion. Cause: sediment or particles in the irrigation water. Solution: pump from a pond or upgrade filters. Animal damage to tube and lateral pipes. Cause: coyotes, gophers, and mice. Solution: control pests, mount systems on trellis wires, or shallow bury lateral pipe and use PVC stake and tube assemblies. Frequently stalled or fast spinning devices. Cause: pressure too high or too low. Sprinklers are old and worn. Solution: complete sprinkler change-out. Switch to a sprinkler better suited for lower pressure, or raise or lower pressure to match the ideal operating pressure for the product. Damaged sprinklers and stakes. Cause: harvest, thinning, mowing, cultivation, or pruning operations. Solution: mount equipment on a trellis wire or shallow bury and use PVC stakes. For overhead cooling, choose the S7 mister. Benefits include: same application rate as foggers, combination of fog and very small droplets, easy to clean, more effective cooling with the same amount of water, 20 to 25 GPM per acre, as a fogging system. Use the trellis clip to lower system cost. If mounted using the trellis clip, a cooling system using the S7 mister will cost about the same per acre as a cooling system using a fogger. Each sprinkler has an ideal operating pressure. Work with your irrigation dealer and identify the ideal operating pressure. Pressures that are too high can be eliminated with 1000 series control valves with a pressure control. Sometimes the solution is as simple as installing pressure control pilots on your existing valves, or installing a few inline pressure regulators. Solving low-pressure problems may be more difficult. Potential solutions include switching to sprinklers better suited for low pressure, such as the R2000FX or S7 spinner, or work with your irrigation dealer and consider your best options from the following: changing to a smaller nozzle size, enlarging mainline pipes, reducing zone size, rebuilding or upgrading pumps. For more information, literature, or to get your free tune-up kit, please visit our website at www.nelsonirrigation.com. Email us at info@nelsonirrigation.com, or speak with your local irrigation dealer.